Today we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character U. It's only 2 fluid strokes. First, start with your brush tip pointing to the left and push down to make your first stroke. As you're lifting up the brush, turn your hand to the right and finish with a small point on the left. For the second stroke, once again with your brush tip pointing to the left, bring your brush to the right. As you hit the edge of the stroke on the top you just made, bring your brush down and to the left as you're lifting your brush out to exit the stroke. A lot of people make the mistake of trying to round out this second stroke, but what you're really doing here is you're sticking to angles. So starting on the left, 1 to the right, down, and then on the third part of the bottom stroke, you're making another angle down to the diagonal left.